What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Lindsay, and in this video I'm going to cover 5 high-paying work-from-home jobs for 2020. Now in this video I'm going to share with you, in my opinion, some of the business models that you should definitely look into for 2020. Now understand that with any new business model that you're getting ready to start, it's always going to be that learning curve, okay? So in the first maybe month or 2 or 3, you're going to be in learning mode, right? You're trying to learn about the business. You're trying to generate your first initial results and things like that. But once you have that foundation built, the only thing you need to do from that point on is just keep scaling up your business so that way you can start earning more and more. And then also learn everything about your craft, okay? So on this channel, guys, I talk a lot about affiliate marketing. And what I do every day is that I spend, at least about an hour or 2 per day just learning something about affiliate marketing. Why? So I can increase my knowledge, increase my skill set, so that way I can become more valuable in the marketplace, guys, right? So that's the same thing that you want to do with any of these business models if you decide to choose any of them. So if you're new to this channel, I share on this channel ways that you can make money from home, affiliate marketing, as well as personal development type videos. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell, so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. Also, in the video description below, I included additional information, also some freebies and things like that, some free training and things like that that you can get your hands on as well, guys. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the content. So the first high-paying job for 2020 is a course creator. Now, the reason why I want to share this with you because I have created courses in the past. I've created courses on Shopify, affiliate marketing, how to make money online. I had an intensive program. It was like a 30-day intensive program or whatever else. And with these courses, it's a great way because whenever I create videos or whenever I create content about things that I know about, typically people want to learn something from you. They want to learn your strategy on how you're able to get results. So you can create a course and you can sell your course on places like udemy.com. You can also, for me, I've hosted my courses on clickfunnels.com. If you don't know what ClickFunnels is a sales funnel creation software. So I used that before, and they also offer membership sites on there as well. So I've even hosted my content on there. That you also have Teachable and things like that. But what you'll do is that you'll create a course that solves one problem, right? That solves one problem. You create the content, and again, you upload it to one of these sites. I had never used Udemy. I wouldn't recommend Udemy, but I'd rather you use recommend that you use ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels, Teachable, and things like that. You can do that. You can also put it onto a WordPress site or something like that, and you could charge money or whatever else. That's what I did initially when I used to create courses and I didn't have the money for the fancy software. What I did was I created the content, I put it onto a WordPress site, and I sold it through PayPal. Generated cash, and I was able to sell courses through there, okay? Now with courses, you can sell them anywhere from $7 all the way up to $997 or more. Now do understand that if you're selling them at a higher price point, that the value has to be there, right? Don't just charge $3,000 for a product and the value isn't there just because you're trying to make more money. Okay, guys? You have to understand that you're doing this, you're creating these courses to actually help people. So the value must be there. So think about in your current life right now, think about any skills that you have right now that the marketplace could probably use. If you do have some type of skills or something like that, create a course and sell it. And again, put a PayPal button on there or whatever else and start generating cash that way, guys. But that's one way that you can start earning a lot of money in 2020 is by creating your own course. Okay, the second high-paying job for 2020 is a social media manager. Now, this got a lot of hype over the last couple of years because of Ty Lopez, but social media managing has been around for quite some time now. And it's just a really great way to go ahead and get started to generate income. So now, even more so now that we're in 2020 and beyond, businesses like brick and mortar businesses really understand the power and the leverage of social media and they actually see how it's actually, improving sales, how they're generating more customers and things like that for their business. But because they're solely focused on like their brick and mortar business, like a restaurant or something like that, they probably don't really have the time to focus on building up their social media, let alone trying to really learn all about social media and things like that, and then also try to apply it in addition to running their brick and mortar business. So this is where you come in, right? There's plenty of courses out there where you can actually learn how to become a social media manager. And what you will do is you can actually find people online as well. You can find, even online marketers who need social media management because they actually do. You can actually find the fan pages of brick and mortar businesses that are inside of your city and reach out to those businesses and see if they're interested in you running their social media. Let them know. Go to their fan page, their Facebook fan page, or something like that. Jot down some of the things that they could improve on with your page, right? Think, if they how they can get more likes to their page, how they can actually increase content and engagement on their fan pages, and contact those businesses. Let them know. Give them a free evaluation or something like that of their business fan page on Facebook. Let them know some of the things that they can tweak or whatever else, and then over time that person can become a client. Okay, and you can charge anywhere from like $500, $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 per month. Okay, but again, you will just be running the social media for businesses, right? And like I said, a good way to do this is find brick and mortar businesses because they really need a lot of help when it comes to building up their social media presence online. So that's a really great way for you to start earning a lot of money in 2020. Now, the third way that you can actually make a lot of money in 2020 is to become a eBay reseller, right? So the reason why I chose this one and not Shopify is a really great way to also make money by creating your own online store. But with eBay, you can go ahead and get started today, right? So you can go around your house today and find items that you can actually resell onto eBay, right? So now you don't have to, open up a Shopify store, connect a merchant, and do all this type of stuff. You don't have to do any of those things, right? All you have to do is just open up an eBay account, find some items around your home, and start listing those items. The next step forward you could do is you can actually start asking family and friends if they have any type of clothing, things around the house that they're trying to get rid of, and you can also start reselling those things on eBay. And then once you start to generate a few sales that way, what you can do is start going to thrift stores. You can start doing that. You can actually start flipping items that you see from Walmart and things like that as well. Now, it goes really in depth when it comes to eBay reselling, but there's a lot of people who are having a lot of results with eBay reselling. Okay, so this way you're in the e-commerce field, and now you're actually generating income, but you don't have to worry about trying to drop ship items from China or anything like that. Again, you can start right in your own house and start finding things inside of your home that you can actually resell. Okay, now the fourth way that you can actually start making money, a lot of money in 2020, is freelancing. So with freelancing, this is something that I did initially when I got started online. So basically with freelancing, you're selling your skills for income. So because I was learning so much and still learn a lot to this day, I had started generating some skills. So I knew how to, create landing pages. I knew how to create sales funnels. I knew how to optimize people's videos on YouTube and things like that. So what I used to do was I used to actually offer those skills onto Facebook, inside of my Facebook groups and stuff like that. Any services that I could offer services inside of my groups to my audience or whatever else, and whoever wanted to get access to that service, they just had to pay me through PayPal or pay me through a merchant or whatever else, and that's a good way for you to generate some income, right? So this is something that I covered before on this channel. So let's say let's go back to Shopify, right? So let's say you tried to build with Shopify before, you tried to create an online store, but you never got any sales, but you know how to build a Shopify store. You know how to build a really nice looking Shopify store that has all the bells and whistles and everything else. Guess what? You can sell that, right? So you can go onto your social media, you can offer those services, you can join Facebook groups that are e-commerce based or whatever else. You can offer that you sell custom built Shopify stores. You can also go to websites like freelancer.com, fiverr.com, I can't remember the other one. But you can go to these sites like this and you can offer those services, right? So just because you didn't become a multimillionaire because of a Shopify store, you still have skills on how to actually build a really nice looking Shopify store. So sell those skills and start to earn income, right? So think about any skills that you have, and that way you can actually offer those skills and earn income. Now, the last way and the best way to actually, in my opinion, to make a lot of money online or working from home in 2020 is affiliate marketing. Okay, so I absolutely love this business model. I was introduced to this business model back in 2013 because I was trying to build a network marketing business online, and I was having some results, but I was about to really throw in the towel because I just wasn't making a lot of money. So a mentor at the time told me about how I could actually do reviews of products and earn commissions. If somebody watched my review and they were interested in that product and they clicked on my link, and if they bought the product, I got like at least a 50% commission. So that's how I was introduced into affiliate marketing, and hence why my channel has grown so much, because of affiliate marketing, right? So because of that model, I love the business model because I don't have to create my own course. I don't have to deal with customer service issues or anything like that. All of that is already done by the seller, okay? The seller has created the sales funnels. They have created the actual course. They have support on standby and everything else. My only job as an affiliate marketer is get as many people as possible to look at my affiliate link and look at the actual sales page from the seller. That is the only thing that I have to do. My whole job is just to generate traffic, okay? So you can generate traffic by doing YouTube videos, posting on your social media, buying paid advertising or anything like that, right? So all you will have to do is just choose one or two of those traffic sources, and again, get as many eyeballs as possible to your affiliate link for whatever business, service, or product you are promoting. That's the only thing that you have to do. And because of affiliate marketing, I have earned thousands of dollars every single month because of affiliate marketing. Okay? And it's also a great way for you to actually learn about online marketing because whenever you're trying to build, primarily a lot of the business models online, is always have to build up a solid foundation. You're going to need traffic. You're going to need a capture page. You're going to need a landing page. All of those things that you need in order to have a successful online business, you can actually learn through affiliate marketing. So it's a great way, again, especially if you're new to this space or a beginner to this space, it's a great way for you to actually earn income. And while you're learning, you can learn about the actual model of creating a successful online business because you're learning about the foundations of the major things that you need in your business. Again, traffic, a sales funnel, and things like that, and the audience, okay? Those are the primary things that you're going to be needing for any business that you build online, guys, okay? Okay, guys, so I share with you in this video 5 high-paying work-from-home jobs for 2020. So underneath this video in the description below, again, I'm giving you guys some additional information, also access to my Facebook group, and then also some free training as well. You can also learn about my #1 way on how I actually earn money online as of right now, guys, okay? So again, all the information is below in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a comment below. Also hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next video.